Feast your eyes on this ultimate driving machine. This McLaren 570S Spider is optioned to perfection. Draped in onyx black with red accents and a carbon fibre spoiler, this ride is an absolute showstopper. And this massive carbon fibre spoiler, I mean, with a front lift, this car is ready for most road conditions. With really low miles and in impeccable condition, this is the 570S you want to own. Coming into the inside of the car, we've got carbon fibre on the infotainment, carbon fibre on the centre console, carbon fibre on the steering wheels and the shifters, and the switchgear on the windows. We have our full digital dash. So the Alcantara continues throughout the seats, onto the door panels, all the way around, and you've got your leather on the dash. Nice red leather on the seats, beautiful accents that continue through to the seat belts as well. Don't miss your chance to own this 570 Spider. All of the contact details are available on screen. Give us a call, we'll be happy to help here at Anchor Cars.